What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you a method in which you can use to make $20 per day online. And the cool thing about this method is you're going to be able to do it for absolutely free. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually reverse engineer the whole sales process, and we're actually going to find the people that want the products and the services that we're going to be providing to them. So when we actually present them with these products and these services, it's going to be a much easier sale, and you're going to be able to make at least $20 per day and even more online. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because you don't want to miss any of these details. But before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you come to my channel, my name is John McNeil, and I teach you how to make money online, and I teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if any of those things interest you, definitely hit that like button on this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. So without further ado, guys, it's going to show you how to make $20 per day. It's going to be easy and it's going to be free. You don't want to miss this one. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so let's go to jump right into this video. Make sure you pay close attention and stay to the end so you actually catch the entire concept again of what we're going to be doing in this video so that you can actually generate $20 per day online or more. So again, guys, like I said, we're actually going to be finding the people that need products and services first, and then we're going to be taking offers and finding offers to match those people with the products and services that are going to help them out. So what we're going to do here is we're here at twitter.com, and we're going to be looking for people that have actually tweeted out problems and they need answers to their problems, right? So what we're going to do is you basically just come up here to the search bar here at Twitter. And you can actually do this in any niche you want. You could be in the health and fitness, you can be in make money online, you can be in gardening or woodworking. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be targeting the credit repair niche. And the first thing that you need to do is make sure you put the quotations, because you're actually going to be searching for people that have typed in a problem or something that they need help with. So I'm going to put the quotations first, and then I'm going to put in, I need help fixing my credit. And then I put in quotes. So I put in quotations, I need help fixing my credit. Then I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And what it's going to do, guys, is it's actually going to pull up people that have actually tweeted out that they need help fixing their credit. So you can see here, it says, I'm trying to get an apartment. I need to help fixing my credit. I need help fixing my credit so I can begin to buy a house. I need help fixing my credit. I like to buy a house. I'm so annoyed. I need help fixing my credit. I have 0 people to ask. So you can see these tweets go on and on and on. These are some of the top tweets. You can actually click on the latest tweets here, and you can see here again, I need help fixing my credit. I need help fixing my credit. There's a lot of people that need help fixing their credit. So we know that this is the problem, right? So we have people that need a solution. They need to get their credit fixed. So what we need to do is we need to find offers that can help them fix their credit. Now, what I've done is I've actually popped over into Max Bounty. This is a CPA network, and they actually kind of pay you per lead, or they pay you for trials. So you can make anywhere. When you look at some of these offers, I actually just typed in credit repair here, and I pulled up some of the offers here. So in general, you can make about $3 or $4 per lead just for someone typing in their name and email, or you can make up to $30 or $40 with people taking a trial in regards to like getting their credit scores and credit monitoring and some different credit monitoring services. So here are your offers. And again, I looked at this one. This one was a lead offer. So this is credit repair. And essentially, if they register for this site, you would actually make $3.60 per lead. Now, we just saw over here in Twitter that we had all of these people saying that they needed help fixing their credit. Now, what we don't want to do is we don't want to just take this offer here and just go over to Twitter and spam these people, right? Because essentially what you could clearly do is you could just click the reply button and reply back to this person and says, hey, you need to, get your credit report. So click here and get your credit report. And that's just not going to be providing value to these people. And a lot of people would just consider that as spam. And then they would just kind of click off of it and you're not going to make the $3.60. What you want to do is you want to provide some sort of value to these people. You want to give them some valuable information to actually help them. And then if you help them with some information, then they'll be more likely to go ahead and take you up on some different offers that you may provide to them. So what I would suggest you do is create a blog post on how to fix your credit. Now, I actually just did a Google search on, simple ways to fix your credit. And I found this article that says 5 steps to fixing your credit all at once. So what this article is doing is teaching people how to fix their credit. And it says, know your credit score and get copies of your credit reports. So what this is doing is giving you information on the 5 different steps to fixing your credit. So a portion of this is actually, obviously, if you want to fix your credit, you need to know your credit score. You got to have your credit reports in order to start disputing stuff and getting the information. And this service here is a service that you can use to get your credit report, get your scores, and get credit monitoring, because you're going to want to have a service maybe for a few months if you're going to be getting things pulled off your credit and monitoring it to make sure that your score is going up. So this article is linking to some sort of offer that is going to help people out. So when I click on that, this is actually going to credit.com and it says get your free credit score updated every 14 days. So this is something that they could probably initially start off as a trial offer, and then they would probably pay a small monthly fee, and then this company actually makes money. But what you would want to do is simply create a blog post similar to this, and you would want to interject our CPA offers here, right? So, the first one could be you got to know your credit score and get copies of your credit report. So I could actually go to, my offer here where I have my $3.60 and I can get a lead. Or I could find another offer that is better. So I can find an offer, let's say this offer here, this is paying $28 per lead. And this is going to give me access to my 3 bureau credit report scores plus ID protection. So it says, it's a 7-day trial. And after the 7-day trial, they would pay $29.95 and they can cancel anytime. But this is actually paying out $28 just for a completed sign up. So just for them taking the trial, you're going to make the $28. So it actually says here that the offer would convert once the user completes a short form, answer 3 identifying questions, and submits a valid credit card. So once that is done, you're done. Like, they don't even have to purchase the actual service. They could cancel within the 7 days, but you've done your job by getting them to this offer, and you would have made $28. Now we flip back over to the actual article. You can see here it's talking about fixing errors on your credit report. This is more opportunity to put in, products and services that you can get paid on, maintain healthy credit accounts. Again, you're talking about credit monitoring. This is something that, again, you can plug your affiliate links to. So essentially what I'm trying to get you guys to see is that what you want to actually do to make this whole thing work is you first want to go over to Twitter and you need to find the individuals that are needing help with a problem or a solution. Then you can actually go anywhere. It doesn't really have to be a CPA network. I just chose a CPA network is because they don't really have to buy anything. Like, they'll pay you for the leads and you can get paid for trials. But you can actually use Amazon, you could use ClickBank, you could use your own products. If you have products that you want to sell, you can actually just go on Twitter, do your research, find the people that need whatever you're trying to sell, and then create a blog post or some sort of content that the people can consume. Because again, you don't want to just take your offers and spam. People aren't going to take kindly to that. people are going to think that it's just spam. They're going to click off of it. But if I'm needing help with my credit and I get this nice blog post and I'm reading through it and I'm learning, okay, I got to get my scores. This is how I do that. This is how I do this. And I'm learning as I'm reading, I'm getting more motivated in solving my problem. This becomes a lot more believable because the content is good and it's going to help me move forward. So when someone is recommending, a service, a product, a book, a course, something that can help me lose weight, something that can help me learn how to garden faster, something that can help me, run faster. If I'm getting this information, I'm getting tips and tricks, I'm going to be more apt to go ahead and look at the offer, purchase the offer, input my information where you would get paid per lead or per trial, and then you can actually start making some really easy money with this method. So I hope that made sense to you guys. Again, you want to find the people on Twitter. You want to find offers and then create some content and embed those offers in the content. Even if you wanted to do like a YouTube video, you embed, the offers into the content, because people are a lot more apt to go ahead and purchase or take an action once they felt like you've actually given them some value and you've actually helped them. So that's what you actually want to do. And that's how you can actually start generating an easy $20 a day online with this particular method. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button if you did, and make sure you actually check out another video that I have here on the channel where I actually show you how to make $10 a day online for absolutely free. You want to go check that one out now. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.